Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation inside Canva with picture and text. It's very fast and easy. So let's jump right into it. First, over to canva.com and create a free account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, click on this create button. So now all you have to do is select presentation. And here you will see a lot of options for presentation size. So I recommend using 16 by 9, which is actually 920 by 1080 pixels landscape format, which is perfect for most screen. And now you can either pick a template from design that Canva offers, which is very super easy, or you can start from scratch using this layout option. Like there are so many options. You just use whatever you want, but you have to keep in mind that if you see any crown icon on template or any layout, those require Canva Pro, which means it is paid. So pick what works best for you. So to add your own image, all you have to do is select upload on the left menu. Then all you have to do is upload the file. So select that. As there are so many options, I am going to select highlight all the photo. So once upload, all you have to do is drag the image onto your slide. So here my photos or pictures are quite ready. Now I'm going to select design and select layout. And for this video, let's say I want something like this. So I have already added. Now go to upload, then just select your picture. Now all you have to do is like just select it and ta-da, it will just upload to your picture. And in a similar way, you can also add other pictures as well. Go to design. Now select a layout. And now all you have to do is go to upload and drag the picture just right here. And just like that, your pictures are now in this format. If you want, you can just add a heading. Even if you want, you can just change this text box and give or edit the text whatever you like. So that's pretty much it. You can just change this font as well. You can also like do some magic writing. If you don't want to write, just give Canva AI the idea and it will write for you. There are also these effect options. You can change this title style, even color, or you can highlight them behind your text. So to add more slide, all you have to do is select this plus icon and then you go to your layout and then select whatever layout you want to do. But what if you want to use the same layout for the next page? All you have to do is just duplicate this page, select that and it will automatically duplicate your pages as well. So, and if you want, you can replace this picture to this picture as well. And a new slide is ready. Now this keeps your style consistent and it saves a lot of your time. Once you think you are done doing everything, it's perfect. Now all you have to do is click share, which is at the top right, and then click download. And you have to make sure that you select PPTX, this one. The format must be in PowerPoint or .pptx as the file type. So once everything is correct, all you have to do is click download and save it on your computer, and you are ready to open it in your Microsoft PowerPoint or any compatible software. And that's it. You just made a professional PowerPoint presentation using Canva, which is super easy and quick. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, drop a question in the comment below. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.